In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion divider color. We're going to take Notion's simple horizontal divider and turn it into a custom colored line that matches your page's style. This is quick to set up, easy to adjust, and a handy way to add visual structure to your workspace. Start by opening Notion and creating a new page, or open any page where you want to add a divider. On a blank line, type /divider and press enter. You'll see Notion's default gray line appear. By design, there aren't built-in color options for this native divider, so we'll use a little formatting trick to get full control. On a new line, paste this code exactly as you hear it, $, \color, curly bracket, red curly bracket, \rule, curly bracket, 5,000 pex, curly bracket, 3 pex, curly bracket, $. It looks like this, /color, red /rule, 5,000 px, 3 px, with dollars. Notion supports latex formatting inside those $, so it will render as a red line. If you see plain text instead of a line, check that you included both $signs at the beginning and the end with no extra spaces. To change the color, simply replace the word red with another color name. For example, swap it for blue, green, or yellow. This version creates a blue divider, color /blue rule /5000 px 3 pex dollars. Color names are quick, but you can be even more precise with a hex code. If you want an exact shade, use a color picker site to choose your color and copy the hex code like #00FFFF. Then paste that inside the color brackets in place of the name. Here's an example. Taj color FFFF rule /5000 px 3 px. Your divider will render in that precise hue, which is great for matching brand or theme colors. You can also control the size of the divider. The first number controls the length. 5,000 px gives you a very long, full-width look. 500 px creates a shorter line, and 50 px is very small. Here's a shorter version. Color /blue /rule /500 px 3 px dollars. The second number controls thickness. 1 px is very thin, 3 px is a nice standard, and 20 px is bold and attention grabbing. For a thick full width line, color /blue /rule 5000 pex 20 px $. Mix and match any color or hex code with any length and any thickness to create dividers that perfectly fit your page layout and aesthetic. That's it, simple, flexible, and instantly more polished. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.